Hey, this is Alex, and I'm the Microsoft Student Partner for the University of North Texas campus. Today I just wanted to show you a few tips and tricks for Microsoft's new Windows 7 OS. The first thing I wanted to show you is window management. When you have lots of windows open, things can get pretty cluttered and it can be hard to organize it all. With Windows 7, what you can do is take any window and drag it up to the top, and you'll see the box expand, let go, and it'll put it in full screen. To get it back, just click it and drag it down. You can do the same thing to put things on the side of your monitor so that it's half and half very easily. Just drag it to the side and let go, and it's half the screen. Get it smaller by just dragging it down again. The same thing can be done very quickly without even using the mouse. With your window selected, all you have to do is hold down the Windows button and then use the arrow keys. For example, if I press Windows key and then up, it maximizes. Down, back to the small size. To the left is on the left side, to the right is on the right side. And if you do Windows key down, it minimizes it to the taskbar. Now, for those of you out there using multiple monitors, the same thing can be applied to multiple monitors. And I'm going to use my video camera to show you that right now. Okay, I've switched to my video camera real quick to show you how this works on multiple monitors. I can take a window and using my mouse, drag it over to the other monitor and maximize it or put it to the side or bring it back over here. But what really works well is the hotkeys. For example, if I hold down the Windows key and push left, put it on the left half of the left monitor, and then hold down the Windows key and press right, it will make it smaller, put it on the right side, and then it basically just walks the window across your monitors. So if I'm using the left arrow, I can bring it all the way across. And another cool thing is if you press Windows Shift and then the right arrow, it moves it to the other monitor in the exact same position. And you can do this with any window. So I'm moving these using Windows Shift, right arrow, to the exact same position on the other monitor. So as you can see, it works very well with multiple monitors. The next thing I want to talk to you about is using shortcut keys with the Windows taskbar. Down here is the Windows taskbar, and you can pin any program you want down here, as well as you can see all the programs that you already have open. You can also rearrange them however you want. Now, if you want to open them quickly without even clicking on them, all you have to do is hold down the Windows key and press the number associated with the program. For example, Windows 1 is Internet Explorer, so if I hold down the Windows key and press 1, it'll open Internet Explorer. 4 is the File Explorer, 5 is Firefox, and 6 is Word. And since I have multiple windows of Word open, if I just keep holding down the Windows key and press 6, I can cycle through all of them. It's also very easy to open up a new window of a program. For example, say I'm using Microsoft Word and I want a new blank page. All you have to do is hold down Windows and then Shift and then the number. So for example, I will hold down Windows, Shift, and then press 6, and that'll open up a new page of Microsoft Word. And you can do this very easily to open many new instances. If you don't want to use the keyboard, you can also use your mouse, and if you have a mouse wheel, put your mouse over the program and just middle click or click the mouse wheel down, and you can open new windows. Well, that's it. I hope you learned something interesting. And don't forget that as a student, you can get Windows 7 Professional for only $30 from www.win741.com. If you have any questions, just let me know.